Hey, in front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this device. You need to begin by tapping on Settings. After that, scroll down just a bit and click on Sound and Vibration. Now scroll down right away and click on Ringtone section. Over here, you need to select Vibration at the top and tap on the best option for you. Synchronize with ringtone, no vibration at all, or select one of those vibration patterns by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with long. Whatever you do, when you're ready, just click on the back button. Now you need to click on the same back button one more time. Scroll down and click on this slider next to Vibrate on Ring. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate on Silent to switch on or off vibrations while your device is muted. Then click on Vibration Intensity. Now you can adjust intensity of notification vibration and ringtone vibrations by swiping left or right on proper sliders. When you're ready, click on the screen. Lastly, choose haptic and tones. And over here, enable or disable system haptics by choosing this switcher. If you decide to enable them, you can also adjust intensity by swiping left or right on this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!